Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a major controversy that has everyone talking. Sue Bird, managing director of USA Basketball, has stirred the pot with her recent comments about Caitlin Clark's fanbase. Let's break down what's going on. Bird labeled Clark's supporters as toxic and ignorant. This has raised eyebrows about her credibility in choosing Team USA players. After all, can a decision-maker with such bias truly represent the nation? In a recent podcast, Bird appeared to agree with critical statements about Clark's fans. This raises a significant conflict of interest. If she's responsible for selecting who's on Team USA, can we trust her judgment? The podcast initially starts on a positive note, talking about the growth of women's basketball. However, it quickly shifts as Bird's body language indicates she agrees with negative comments towards Clark's loyal supporters. This isn't just a slip, it shows a pattern of bias against a player who has uplifted the WNBA's profile significantly. Here's where it gets really interesting. Bird praises UConn star Paige Bueckers while slamming Clark's fanbase. This inconsistency makes us question her impartiality. What does this mean for Clark's chances in future international competitions? Let's look at the numbers. Since Clark joined the league, viewership and attendance have skyrocketed. Bird's negative comments about her fanbase contradict these positive trends. Merchandise sales have soared, all thanks to Clark's influence. Instead of celebrating this growth, Bird seems to feel threatened by Clark's success. The ramifications of this institutional bias could discourage future talent in women's basketball. If budding stars see these leaders react negatively to success, what future does the sport have? Now, Caitlin Clark stands at a crucial crossroads in her career. She has the chance to showcase her skills despite the backlash from leadership. Everyone, including fans and fellow players, is watching closely. Bird's divisive remarks reflect beyond Clark, they send a discouraging message to young female athletes. Winning could potentially draw criticism from those threatened by change. As this story continues to unfold, the credibility of USA Basketball is on the line. Caitlin Clark's journey highlights the struggle against bias in sports and challenges established figures to rethink their views. So, what's next? Will Bird's comments spark a change in how talent is evaluated? This is not just about Clark, it's about the future of women's sports. If you agree it's time for a shift in leadership and approach in women's basketball, hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe for updates on this evolving story. We're committed to keeping you informed about USA Basketball and what this means for the future. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.